Good morning, my dear students. Today I have to continue permutation combinations. So the same model last class we finished the model number 1 without zero. That is, find the number of 4-digit numbers. Find the or how many 4-digit numbers that can be formed. That is more than 4-digit even numbers greater than 3000, like we completed. Okay, once again we have to see the same model problem with repetition also. Let us take. Find the number of 4-digit even numbers. 4-digit. Yesterday given homework, but may or may not trying. Once again again. Find the number of 4-digit even numbers greater than 3000. Greater than 3000. That can be formed. That can be formed using the digits. Using the digits 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If digit is repeated. If digit is repeated. So this problem. In the last class, if digit is not repeated, in that case we have done break into cases, because there are two primary conditions. One is even number and one is greater than 3000. In this case we have to use primary, that means break into cases. But here digit is repeated, so we have to using number reuse the same number. In this case no need to break into the case. So directly we have to solve this problem. So what are the given digits? So given digits are using digits 1 to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we have to form 4-digit even numbers, 4-digit even numbers greater than 3000 with repetition in this case. With repetition. If repetition is allowed, okay, we have to no need to take in the case. So directly we have to take the 4. We have to take the 4 positions. Create 4 positions. So we have to allow which numbers. What are the even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So we must fill in the unit place. This can be done in how many ways? 3 ways. So unit place can fill in 3 ways. This can be done in 3 ways. Take a pause, and we need to find more than 3000. So we have to mandatory filling in the leading position also. In this leading position, what are the digits allowed here? Which digits are allowed? More than 3 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, most of the people they do the error here only. Okay. So we should take 3 also. After 3, take any number. It should be more than 3000. This can be done in how many ways? 5 ways. Having satisfied this condition, since repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed means we have to reuse the same numbers. How many digits do we have? 7. This can be done in 7 ways. This is also done in 7 ways. I do not stop at there. I complete means a further field here. What to do? I have to use multiplication rule. So this is the answer of the question. So just we are writing in the notes. How to write this one? Number of ways to fill in the unit place, or number of ways to fill in the first place. Number of ways to fill in the unit place is equal to 3 ways. So which digits are allowed? Only 2, 4, 6 even numbers condition. Similarly, number of ways to fill in the thousand place, hundreds place, tens place, right? So number of ways to fill in the tens place is equal to 7 ways. Why? Because repetition is allowed. So reuse the same numbers. Reuse the numbers. Similarly, number of ways to fill in the hundreds place is equal to 7 ways. Number of ways to fill in the thousand place is equal to 5 ways. Actually, leading position this is. We should fill first this one. Hereafter we fill the written tens, hundreds, thousands like this written. Therefore, hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, total number of ways is equal to, what is the answer? 5 into or 3 into 7 into 7 into 5 is equal to 7 into 5. How much? 35. Into 7 into 3, 21, multiply 5, 3, 2 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2 3 is 6 plus 7. So how much is value? 735 ways. So like we have to solve the questions. So repetition is allowed. This is the answer. So last class we finished same model problem. Repetition is not allowed. I hope you understand this question. You also practice like the models. Different little varieties only we have to take always. Now I am going to the just variety. So what is the variety here? That is with 0 model. With 0. So write down this problem using digits forming 4-digit even numbers which are greater than more than 3000 with repetition problem. So mainly if you understand this technique, this is writing very easy. Writing nothing, technique is important, which is called black diagram. All of you should learn this black diagram. It is a shortcut actually. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. So I change the model 0 with 0 model. Next model is with 0. So till I will finish here questions without 0, still there divisibility model we have seen the exercise. There only we have seen second exercise there using permutations formula we can do directly. Using this also we can do it, same model. Now the model type 2 this is. So type 2 with 0. So till the last class we finished till our problem without zero problems finished here with zero. Okay. At the moment as zero comes in the problem, if zero comes, okay, come into picture, what happened? What happened? The situation will be changed. Total situation is changed here. Let us see one example. You can understand with the zero model. So the question is, find the number of, here in this question number 1. Find the number of, you take here, so last 4 is 5-digit numbers take. Find the number of 5-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers that can be formed, using the digits, 0 to 9 if no digit is repeated. If no digit is repeated. So like the questions are asking. Find the number of 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0 to 9 if no digit is repeated. Okay, this is the question. So what are given digits? Firstly, take firstly. What are given digits? 0 to 9. So we have to use 0 to 9. Using digits 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of digits, how many are there? 10 digits are there. Okay. Now we have to form which digit number? 5-digit number. So we should write. We have to form 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers without repetition. Okay. So 5-digit numbers means how many positions do you create? We have to create 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next thing, we are going to observe here. Do we have general condition? Yes. What is the general condition? Without repetition. Is there any primary condition? No primary condition. Yes? Yes, there is no primary conditions. Yes, there is a primary condition. What is the primary condition here? 0 cannot be used. 0 cannot be used in the leading position. So this is the primary condition. Remember all of you. 0. I will show this one. Remember all of you, this is the primary condition. Primary condition which one? 0 cannot be used in first position, first place, in leading position. In leading position, this is called primary condition. Remember all of you. 0 cannot use in the leading position is the primary. Why? Because suppose if, okay, 0, 2, 4, 5, 9 is to be going to my 5-digit answer. We do not say, okay, we do not say 0, 2, 4, 5, 9 5-digit number. So it is not a 5-digit number. So we should not fill 0 in the leading position. We have to fill We have to fill mandatory fill in the leading position other than 0 only. Other than 0 means either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many ways could I fill? So mandatory, that is essentially to fill in the leading position other than 0. Other than 0, how many numbers are there? Count how many numbers other than 0. So total 10 is there. So 0 is there, rest is there, 9 digits are there. So 9 digits, how many ways could I fill in the leading position? I have to fill in the 9 ways. This can be filled in 9 ways. Having satisfied this condition, take a pause. Now, is 0 allowed in this place? Yes. Why? Because 2, 0, 4, 5, 9. We can say it is a 5-digit number. So 0 is allowed from next position. Now, so one number has gone in this position. How many numbers are left here? How many numbers are left? 9 numbers are left. Now, second place. How many ways could I fill in this position? 9 ways. Do I stop here? No. Further, we have to fill other positions. Since repetition is not allowed, how many ways could I fill this one? 8 ways. This can be filled in 7 ways. This can be filled in 6 ways. What do I do? Do I do multiplication or addition? So we have to use multiplication. 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So this is our required answer. All of you remember, if 0 comes in the given digits, okay, 0 comes in the picture, the situation will be changed always. Don't forget that one. 0 should not use in the first place. Okay, other than 0, we should essentially fill in the first place. That is the, okay. This is the condition of the leading position. Condition is on the leading position only. So we have to fill, mandatory fill in the leading position. Essentially fill, that is necessarily we should fill in the leading position. Then remaining answer do it like this. Shall we write in always? Understood this one? Is it okay? Now I am going to the long ways. So what is the first step? We should write here number of ways to fill in the first place. Number of ways to fill in the first place. How many ways? 9 ways. So here within bracket 0 cannot be used. 0 cannot be used. 0 cannot be used in leading position. Leading position hangandre first place. 0 cannot use in leading position. Similarly, we should write number of ways to fill in the second place. This can be done in also 9 ways. Why? Because in the second place 0 is allowed. 0 is allowed. Remind the rest of the numbers step by step. Follow that. Number of ways to fill in the third place. To fill in the third place is equal to 8 ways. Number of ways to fill in the fourth place is equal to 7 ways. Number of ways to fill in the fifth place is equal to 6 ways. Finally, what to do? Using multiplication rule. Hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, number of ways is equal to 9 into This is multiply. So multiplication 9 into 9, 81. Here I am multiplying. Into 8, 7 into 6, 42. Okay. So here multiplying 8 into 8, 64 into 42. 2 first multiply 2 8 is 16, 1 carry 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 2 into 6 12 and 4 into 8 32, 4 into 4 16 plus 3 19, 4 into 6 24, 24 plus 1 25, 6 11 12 7 2, 27216. 27216 base. This is the 5-digit numbers using 0 to 9. So repetition is not allowed. Okay. So all of you remember these type of questions, very important. 5-digit numbers using digit 0 to 9. Okay. Whenever there is, okay now, if 0 comes in the problem, the situation will be changed. Remember, all there is a primary condition given. 0 cannot be used in the leading position. That is clearly remember all of you. Shall we go next problem? Same model problem. Repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, very simple like this. Take the repetition is allowed problem. Okay. Take the next question in this model. Next problem. Find the number of 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers that can be formed. Using the digits using the digits 0 to 9. If no digit, here digit is repeated. If digit is repeated, so this is the question. Find the number of 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 0 to 9 if digit is repeated. So is it exactly similar? Yes, there is a little change. So repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, little bit change here. So here write the answer of this question. Firstly, if you given any question, total number of digits we have to take. What are the digits here? 0 to 9. Using digits 0 to 9 means I take the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of digits is equal to how many? 10 digits. Which digit number we have to form? 4 digits or 5 digits? 5 digits. So we have to form 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. Okay, with repetition. With repetition here. With repetition we have to form. So the good idea. What is the good idea? Create the 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. What is the mandatory condition? The mandatory condition is primary condition will be 0 cannot be used. 0 cannot be used in the leading position. 0 cannot use in the leading position. We can't use in the that means we should not fill in the leading position. Because if I fill 0, there is no, we should not say as 5-digit number. We should not say 0, 5, 4, 3, 2 is a 5-digit number. It is not a 5-digit number. So we must fill in the leading position. Other than 0. Other than 0, how many digits are there? 9 digits are there. How many ways could I fill these 9 digits in the first position? We have to fill in 9 ways. Having satisfied this condition, take a pause. Then, how many digits do I have? How many digits do I have? Because since repetition is allowed means we should reuse the same numbers. So total number of digits, how many are there? 10 digits. So how many ways could I fill in the next position? 10 ways. Since repetition is allowed. Following the next place also 10 ways. Why? Because next position onwards from the second place 0 is allowed. So 10. This is also filled in 10 ways. This is also filled in 10 ways. So total number of ways. What do I do? Do I do multiplying or adding? So multiply. Why? Because I do not stop in the leading position. I further build second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. So I have to use multiplication rule. So total number of ways is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 4. So this is our required answer. Okay. The same thing we have to express in the long ways. That should be expressed here. How to write? Number of ways to fill in the first place. To fill in the first place is equal to 9 ways. Since what is the reason? Since 0 cannot use in leading position. 0 cannot use in leading position. This is the main reason. Similarly, we have to write remaining numbers. Remaining positions, number of ways to fill in the second place. It is very simple. Once you understand, very easy to find out these questions without any formula. Only technique should follow. This chapter only counting only. Only this only counting. Second place. That is equal to 10 ways. Okay. Now number of ways to fill in the third place is equal to 10 ways. Number of ways to fill in the fourth place equals 10 ways. Number of ways to fill in the fifth place is also equals 10 ways. Now what to do? Using multiplication rule. Hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, total number of ways is equal to 9 into how many tens? 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equal to how much? 90,000. After 9 we should use 4 digits, 4 zeros. So if repetition is allowed, quietly we have to think that rather than repetition is not allowed, repetition is allowed as it is an easy. Correct? Okay? Like we have to solve all type of questions every time. Digit is repeated, digit is not repeated. Okay? Shall we write one more question? Next model, continue. Take the next problem. Find the number of 4-digit numbers I am taking now. 4-digit even numbers I take. Okay, in this class also one more question I will solve. Find the number of 4-digit even numbers. Take the question number 3. Find the number of 4-digit even numbers that can be formed using the digits 0 to 9 if no digit is repeated. If no digit is repeated. Okay, this is the question. So what to do? All of you think how to solve these type of questions. Can you say here? Is there any primary condition? How many primary conditions are given? Only one primary condition. Is it true? No. Yes, there are two primary conditions. What are those? One is even numbers. One primary condition is even number, and another primary condition is 0 cannot be used in the leading position. So we have to form 4-digit numbers without repetition. So what do I do in this case? Okay. So in this case, what I do observe here? 0 cannot be used in the leading position. Already I have given best approaching method. What is the good approaching method? Whenever there are two primary conditions in the given statement, what do? I have to do break into cases. So at one of the condition, if there are two primary conditions, the best idea break into two cases. So what are the cases here? Even number case condition, 0 cannot use in the leading position. So I break into two cases. First we take the positions, create 4 positions here. In these 4 positions, 0 is also even number. So even numbers are, what are the even numbers here? Remember, even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So first I fill with 0 in the unit place, and without 0 fill in the unit place. I break into two cases, with 0, without 0. So I fill 0 in the unit place. And next R, fill the even numbers. So what are the even numbers here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So remember, this is the very best idea without second thought. You don't need to approaching any method. You just identify number of primary conditions. If you know that two primary conditions, what to do? Break into two cases. Break into cases and one of the condition. Here, whenever 0 used here, 0 filled in the unit place, and non-zero filled in the unit place. Like we have to break into cases. Now, if I fill with 0 in the unit place, so that means 0 is not allowed here. Now, how many digits are left in the leading position? What digits should come in the unit place? Either 1, either 2, so on, either 9. Total digits are 9. These 9 digits, how many ways could I fill in the leading position? How many ways could I fill in the leading position? I have to fill in 9 ways. This can be filled in 9 ways. Since repetition is not allowed condition. Okay, our condition is our general condition. Repetition is not allowed. Now, how many digits? Already 0 filled in this position in the unit place, and 9 filled in the leading position. 9 ways. One number has gone in this place. Now, how many out of 10? How many digits are filled? How many are rest in the rest? 8 ways. 8 digits are there. How many ways could I fill in the next position? I do not stop here. I have to fill 4 digits numbers. So 8 ways. This can be filled in 8 ways. This can be filled in 7 ways. So the total number of ways calculated here. If 0 is the unit place, the number of ways is equal to 9 into 8 into 7. So that is the first condition. If 0 is not in the unit place, if 0 is not in the unit place, if not filled in the unit place, okay, 0 cannot use here. So which digits are allowed now? Either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. These 4 even numbers, how many ways could I fill in the first unit place? I have to fill in the unit place how many ways? 4 ways. Take a pause. Having satisfied this condition, one number has gone. Now how many are there? 9 are there. That means here 0 is allowed. In this case, second case 0 should be there. Okay, now 9 numbers. But can you use 0 in the leading position? No, we cannot use. So 0 cannot use. Now how many digits are allowed? How many ways could I fill here? 0 not allowed. Already one number has filled in the unit place. How many are left? Total 10. 2 are there. 2 filled there. That means 0 not using. We do not use 0. We have to use 4. One number only filled. So 8 are there. So this place I filled in how many ways? I could have filled in 8 ways. How many ways I would have filled? I would have filled in the leading position 8 ways. In the next position 0 is allowed. Okay. How many ways would I fill in this position? This can be filled in 8 ways. Similarly, this can be filled in 7 ways. So by the fundamental principle of multiplication, we have to do. So 0 filled in the unit place, total number of ways equal to 9 into 8 into 7. If non-zero, other than 0 filled in the unit place, number of ways equal to 8 into 8 into 7 into 4. Okay, then required number of ways means what I do? Either first case or second case. What do I do? Do I do add or multiply? We have to add. Either or. That is fundamental principle of addition. So here, what I am writing here, if 0 comes in the unit place, this is the first case, number of ways is equal to, total number of ways is equal to 9 into 8 into 7. Simplify this value. So 9 into 8 is 72. 72 into 7. 7 to the 40. 1 carry. 7 7 to 49. 49 plus 1 50. 504 ways. Yes. Is to be going to right? Maybe. Yes, it is correct. 504 ways. If 0 does not come in the unit place, if 0 does not come in the unit place, number of ways is equal to, number of ways is equal to how many ways? 8 into 8 into 7. This is equal to 8 into 8 value 64. 64 into 7. 7 4 is 28. 7 6 is 42 plus 2. 44. 448. 448 ways. Correct? 2. Okay, correct. This is only. So 448 ways. So by fundamental principle of addition, hence by fundamental principle of addition, total number of ways is equal to 504 plus 448. This is equal to 8 plus 4 12. 1 carry 5. 9 952 ways. Yes, your mistake is there. One more way, into 4 ways there. Very good here. So 448 into, sorry, 448 into 4 also there. 4 ways we will going to replace. Now this value how much? 448 into 4. 4 into 8, 32. 4 4 is 16 plus 3, 19. So 2092 is 2092. Now this value 2092. Total value how much? 2 plus 4 6, 9. Okay, 5 2596 ways. This is the right answer. So the number of 4-digit even numbers using the digits 0 to 9, if digit is not repeated, equal to 2596 ways. So very important model for competitive point of view. Most of the people they are not doing this type of things because they have they need another beginners here. They do not think logically. You should think always. If there is 0 means 0 is the primary condition. Always remember 0 cannot use in the leading position. I do not say that is not a 4-digit number, 5-digit number like this. If 0 in the first place means it is not a, there is no value. I do not say like that. Remember all of that case. In this case also, if digit is repeated also. Let us take one more problem. If digit is repeated. Same model, question number 40. Find the number of 4-digit numbers, 4-digit even numbers there. 4-digit even numbers that can be formed using the digits 0 to 9 if digit is repeated. If digit is repeated case. That is if digit is not repeated. So in this case very easy. Why it is an easy than that method? Why? Because repetition means so we can easily reuse the same numbers. Using number again reuse. So take the simple thing. Using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Total number of digits equal to 10. Mainly we have to see the black diagram. 4-digit even numbers. So how many ways could I fill up to that? 1, 2, 3, 4 I take here like this. 4 positions I created. I took 4 positions. Now we have to form 5-digit even numbers. 4-digit even numbers. So form 4-digit even numbers without repetition. Okay. So how many primary conditions are given? 2 primary conditions. Since repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, no need to break into cases. Don't break into cases. Directly do it. But because we should reuse the numbers. Okay, here. How many ways could I fill this position? There are 10 of the even numbers. First we have to, which condition should come here? That only condition come. Okay, 0 cannot use in the leading position. That is not a 4-digit numbers. So in this case we have to use 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. How many ways could I fill these 5 digits in this position? We have to fill in the 5 ways. Okay. Take a pause. Having satisfied this condition, take a pause. Now we have to come into leading position. How many ways could I fill this position? Reuse the numbers. Now totally how many digits are there? I have the 10 digits are there. But 0 cannot use in the leading position because it is not a 4-digit number. So we have to use here only, we have to fill how many ways? 9 ways. And remaining 2 places, reuse the same numbers. So once you reuse the same numbers, how many ways could I fill this one? This can be filled in 10 ways. This also filled in 10 ways. So 9 into 10 into 10 into 5. This is the final answer. Clear? Okay, number of ways to fill in the first place is equal to 9 ways. Number of ways to fill in the second place is equal to 10 ways. Number of ways to fill in the third place is equal to 10 ways. Number of ways to fill in the fourth place, how many ways? 5 ways. Because only we have to use even numbers. Either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now total number of ways. By using fundamental principle of multiplication, 9 into 10 into 10 into 5. So how much is value? 9 5 is 45. 4,500 ways is the answer. So pretty much this is very easy compared to non-repeated model. Repetition model is very easy always. Clear this one? I hope you may understand these models with 0, without 0 model. So with 0 means carefully take it. Situation will be changed always. Two primary conditions. When there are two primary conditions, we need to break into cases. If repetition is not allowed, if repetition is allowed, only to break in the case, directly to the problem as a case. Okay, now I am going to some text. So here so many models are there. Divisibility model is there. So I have to give you the second exercise. Okay, now I am going to some example questions. Textbook NCERT example questions. Take all of you problems. Now I am going to NCERT example questions. I hope that you may little bit idea. So you think you practice 2 to 3 times each and every problem. Because this chapter is very important for the competitive point of view. Okay, don't give up this chapter. You should concentrate more than other chapters. It is your life concept. So there are all the live examples only there. Let us see textbook problem. I am taking example question. NCERT example. Question is examples here. Example 1. How many two-digit even numbers? The question is how many two-digit even numbers, how many two-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the digit can be repeated, if the digit can be repeated, this is the problem. Example 1. How many two-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the digit can be repeated? So here digit is repeated. We done number of questions. Here is there 0? If 0 is there, situation will be changed. 0 is not there means we have to do model type 1. 0 is there, type 2. Clear? Okay, very simple question this is. So what to do first? We have to take the digits. Very simple question. Using digits. What are the digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the digits. Total digits are 5 are there. And our question is what? What is our task? How many two-digit even numbers? So we have to form have to form two-digit even numbers with repetition or without repetition? With repetition. So repetition is allowed. So what are the even numbers here? Even numbers are 2 and 4 are there. Okay, even numbers are 2 and 4. So even numbers, how do you say that? Two-digit even numbers. What is the mandatory condition? What is the essential condition? The condition is of the unit place. So unit place should be even number. So let us create two positions only. I create two positions. In the unit place, which digits should come? What digits are allowed? Allowed here either 2 or 4. So here allowed numbers are in the unit place either 2 or 4. How many ways could I fill in the unit place these two numbers? What are the possibilities? There are two possibilities only there. So I have to fill in 2 ways. Having satisfied this condition, how many positions are left here? Only one position left. One number has gone. Since repetition is allowed, repetition is allowed. So one number has gone. Now how many digits do I have? I have again 5 digits. Reason? Repetition is allowed. Since repetition is allowed, so this can be done in how many ways? This can be done in 5 ways. Do I stop in the unit place? No. I further fill in the tens place. So what do? I have to use multiplication. So the total number of ways is equal to 10. Very simple question. Clear? So that's a given first beginning big problem. Now it becomes easy. So like we have to learn. Clear this one? So we should write the answer. Number of ways. Number of ways to fill in the unit place is equal to 2 ways. Number of ways to fill in the unit place is equal to 2 ways. Number of ways to fill in the tens place equals 5 ways over only 2 sentences. Hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, total number of ways is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 ways. Textbook questions are very easy. Very simple. You can easily solve, you can easily understand. You should practice 2 to 3 times same model problems always. Here repetition is allowed condition. If repetition is not allowed means we have to use 4 times. Because one number has filled in this first place, unit place. Okay, very simple. We understand this one. Shall we go next question? Next example. Take the next problem. Write down. Given no allow me one by one question for your fair notes. NCERT examples these are. Next I am taking example 2. Given 4 flags. Given 4 flags of different colors. Of different colors. How many different signals required, how many different signals can be generated, if a signal required the use of two flags, one below the other, this is the problem. Total number of flags is equal to with different colors, red, blue, green, yellow. Like 4 different colors means 4 different numbers are given. How many different signals can be generated if signal required the use of 2 flags? What is the meaning of this? Think of it. One below the other. It means out of 4 flags, we have to create how many positions? 2 positions. That means here 2-digit numbers. In place of 2-digit numbers has given 2 different flags. So we have to choose 2 flags. We have to form 2 flag signals. So one below the other. So shall we make a diagram like this? So firstly number of flags take here. Total number of flags. Okay? Total number of flags. Different flags is equal to how many are there? Total number of flags is equal to 4. So we have to use how many flags? 2 flags, one below the other. So we have to use 2 flags, one below the other. One below the other meaning what here? 2 flags, all are repetition is not allowed in this case. Different is repetition is not allowed. For sake of understanding, I take the flag 1 below the, this is the upper position, this is the lower position. Okay? Total number of flags is equal to how many? 4. How many ways choose first flag in the upper position? How many ways choose first flag? Okay? This is first, this is second, first, second, whatever it is. How many ways choose first flag, first position? First flag, out of 4, we have to choose in 4 ways. I do not stop here. I have to fill up upper position also. Now, since repetition is not allowed, how many flags are remaining? 3. How many ways choose second flag in upper position? So we have to choose here 3 ways. So total number of ways is equal to how many? 12 ways. So very simple. This is almost exactly similar to our. So we have to write number of ways choose first flag. First flag is equal to 4 ways. Okay? So number of ways first signal meaning, that is lower position meaning. Number of ways choose first flag equal to 4 ways. Next, number of ways, since repetition is not allowed. Number of ways choose second flag, that means upper position. How many ways? 3 ways. Therefore, or hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, number of ways is equal to 4 into 3 or 3 into 4. Okay, this is equal to how many ways? 12 ways. Very simple question this is also. Almost all similar here, that is digits given and flags given. Flag given means also we have to. How many ways we have to choose first signal? Out communication, total number of ways is equal to 12 ways. 4 flags or 3 signals, 4 signals, how many are generated? Depends on the problem. Okay? Now I am going to one more question. One more example. Take the next example 3. Take the next example. Have taken these all questions? And tomorrow class we have to see the exercise problems, all exercise. First you have to understand examples also. Find the number of 4-letter words. Next question. Find the number of number of 4-letter words. Find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning. Can be which can be formed out of the letters, formed out of the letters of the word ROSE, rose, of the word rose, when the repetition of the letters is not allowed. Yes, our writing problem is taking more time. For understanding here, very simple. Answer is also one line answer model. Find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning. That means we have to form which letter word? 4-letter word. 4-digit numbers mean. Okay? What is the here word rose given? Total number of digits, total number of letters in the word rose equal to 4. Condition is what? Is there any primary condition? There is no primary condition. Primary meaning what? Even positions, odd positions, vowels, consonants, that is the primary. Here what is the general condition? Since repetition is not allowed. General condition is repetition is not allowed. Okay, so almost all 4-digit model problems here. That's why those questions what I explained in previous videos, you have to listen and practice 2 to 3 times. Then you can understand any type of question here. So firstly, given word take here. What is the given word? Rose. So number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the word rose is equal to how many are there? 4. Okay, we have to form which letter words? 4-letter words. We have to form, this is formation of words. We have to form, actually this is the next case. We have to form 4-letter words, but it is related to same similar exactly. We have to form 4-letter words without repetition. Okay. Now how many positions do we create? We have to create 4 positions. So let us take 4 slots. Okay. Here condition is not mentioned. If there is no condition, means what do? I have to start either left to right or right to left. Okay. So how many ways could I fill four numbers or four letters in the leading position? How many ways could I fill this one? Four ways. This can be filled in four ways. Since repetition is not allowed. Since repetition is not allowed means how many numbers are left here? I do not stop here. And then I have to fill second place. How many ways could I fill the remaining rest of the three numbers, three letters? I have to fill in this one three ways. This is filled in two ways. This is filled in one way. So what do I do? Do I do add or multiply? Multiply. Why? Because and then means here further. So we should multiply this value. Okay? So the number of ways to fill in the first place equal to 4 ways. Number of ways to fill in the second place equal to 3 ways. Number of ways to fill in the third place equal to 2 ways. Number of ways to fill in the last place equal to 1. Total number of ways equal to that is. Shall we write answer? Very simple question. So I am just writing the long ways. Number of ways to fill in the first place equals 4 ways. Similarly, following number of ways to fill in the second place. To fill in the second place equals 3 ways. Number of ways to fill in the third place equals 2 ways. Number of ways to fill in the fourth place is equal to 1 way. Hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, total number of ways is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 24 ways. I hope that you may understand these type of questions. Very easy permutation combination, just technique only. Use the technique. The technique is black diagram. What are the general conditions? What are the primary conditions? If more than one primary condition is given, how to solve? Break into cases. If 0 is given, 0 should not come in the unit place. 0 should not come in the leading position first place. Like we have logics, remember, we can easily solve all type of permutation combination questions. So based on counting principle, these are the examples. Still we have to continue same questions, and tomorrow I will start the exercise questions. Okay? Thank you.